Welcome Veg Champions. Today we're cooking with
onions. So we got this special kind of jar in the sale and it had some pate in it. And it has this rubber seal which you're going to use to make a pickle with. So we're going to do a special type of pickled onion. We're going to take a red onion, some sea salt, but you can't use table salt, you have to use sea salt. You'll also need something to measure it with, and you also need some water.
So when we peel the onion, what we're going to do is cut it into slices. Do take the first layer of skin off because, especially if it's feeling a little bit tough, because you will get a much better onion, pickled onion, if you get rid of the tough outer layer as well as the skin. And then what I'm going to do is cut it lengthwise like this, quite thin. And then we're going to cut it into half as well. And then we're going to break them up as well so they're into individual lengths like that.
We're going to start off by placing our onions into the jar. We're going to use the rest of it for cooking. And then, starting off with 200 millilitres of water, just going to pour it in. See how much is left. I'd say about 120 millilitres of water. So we've used 80 millilitres. For every 150 millilitres of water, we're using 1 teaspoon of salt. So we're going to be using half a teaspoon because we used 80 millilitres. So we're going to be emptying out the rest of this water. Then we're going to be pouring this water back into this jug. Then we're going to put it into the water. We have to put it into here because otherwise it won't dissolve properly. I'm going to stir it about so it can dissolve even quicker. Now that it's all dissolved, I'm going to pour this water back into our jar. And so now we have to leave it just like out in the kitchen for 3 to 5 days, and then after that we can put it in the fridge. You'll know when this is ready because it will be really sweet with a hint of sourness, and it's perfect to serve with like cheese and stuff or cold cuts.